What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how your all the controls on your turn signal stalk, and then as well as your windshield wiper stalk. So we'll start on the turn signal one here. So pretty simple to turn your lights on. Oh yeah, so sorry, I forgot to mention on the earlier TJs there's a little it's like a pull tab here. So in the newer models, they put them onto the turn signal stalk here, but the old ones you pull it to turn the lights on and all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be pertaining to you guys that have a similar setup that I have. So anyway, to turn the parking lights on, just flick this guy up one. Now my parking lights are on. Flick it up again. The headlights are on. If you have fog lights equipped on your TJ, just pull and that will turn the fog lights on. You can also have the fog lights and the parking lights on at the same time without your headlights. I don't know what you really need that for, but you can. And then if you just want to turn everything off, just twist it and it'll turn everything off. But you can manually turn the fog lights on and off. So pretty simple that way. Obviously, turn left, turn right. These are your brights. So if you pull them towards you, they will stay on. So you have to click them again to get them off. Pretty simple that way. This is the, let me get my key in here. So this is going to be the brightness and dimness of your gauges. So you can't really see them now, obviously, because it's daytime right now, but that's what this does. This one right here is interesting. As far as I can tell, all it controls is the brightness of the mileage and then the time on here by clicking this. Up one. To get your dome light to come on, just click it all the way like that. And as you can see, dome light came on. So I usually run it basically there. I never really need to see the brightness or get the time brighter. I don't really know why they have that, but I always have mine kind of set there. So that's pretty much it on the turn signal. Then we're going to move over to the wiper. So this one, if you just want to do a quick one swipe, just hit down on here. Oh, that's going to be loud. So we'll do that again. So just by hitting down, it'll do it once. So if you need to just clear it off really quick and you don't need any fluid, just pull down. To get the squirters to come out, just pull back on it. And that will squirt it for you. Okay. Now, if you want to set the delay, you'll click it up once, and then you will turn this guy to tell how fast you want it to go. So this is the fastest for delay, and you'll go down for the slowest. Then it's got two settings. It has a low, which is like that. This is probably an awful sound. And then you got your high speed, which is the fastest it'll go. So that's pretty much all of that. I guess as long as we're talking about the center console area, your flashers right here. And that's pretty much it for the controls here and there. One other tip I want to make is the rearview mirror here. I didn't want to make this its own video because it's just going to be way too slow, way too short. But anyway, for daytime, you want to have the mirror in this mode, and then at nighttime, if you're getting blinded, just click that, and then now we're in basically like the nighttime mode where the lights will be a lot dimmer. But that's just kind of a nice little tip if you guys don't know that. I mean, most cars have these anyway, but I just figured I would show you guys that one. But anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.